Dinosaurs were not dumb. In the Book of Giants, Enoch's lost and found work, fragmentary recordings of information concerning the offspring of the angels who created giants by crossing themselves with women and by animals. In the antediluvian age, angels and mankind interacted, causing Satan to deceive some into defiling themselves with flesh. Fragment 1Q23 describes them breeding with donkeys, sheep, goats and birds. These are called dinosaurs but referred to as monsters in the text. These rose up and warred against men, shedding blood and conquering them. In the text, the monsters were described as awaiting the words of Enoch, suggesting their angel parentage infused the ability to comprehend and communicate, debunking the evolutionary portrayal of them as being dumb. Quote, "The giants await your words and all the monsters of the earth." In the Book of Giants, Enoch was a go-between, intercessing for the giants and monsters, asking for mercy from the Most High God. These monsters suggest an inner intellect, but a beastly appearance, being aligned more with monsters from Greek mythology. The skeletons of giants, angels crossed with women, were covered up by Smithsonian, but dinosaurs displayed and explained with an evolution theory, giving rise to the question, have some skeletal remains of the monsters called dinosaurs been hidden? Some examples like Chimera, Gorgon and Manticore, the Manticore being a legendary Persian creature similar to the Egyptian Sphinx. Could the giant stone sphinx be a replication of a fallen angel hybrid, having the head of a human and body of a lion? It was depicted as having a tail of venomous spines similar to porcupine quills. Other depictions have it with the tail of a scorpion, eating its victims whole, having triple rows of teeth and leaving no human bones behind.